Welcome to Ekwueme Square in Awka. So the last time I paid a visit to this particular location, I brief you guys concerning one swimming pool like that, which was abandoned, and somebody came under my comment section to say that the swimming pool was used for one blah blah thing about police or whatever that is no longer needed. That they should cover them or something. So whichever way, but all I can say is that that is what I saw when I visited here. And when I make research about the swimming pool, I noticed that some news channel in Nigeria have carried it, and they also said it's a multi-million swimming pool, which is if it will cost multi-million naira to build, how can it be a temporary thing? Temporary things not supposed to cost much to achieve. So today we are back on the LS Ekwueme Square to give you the latest updates concerning the renovation that is currently going on under the current governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo. So over this angle, what you just watched earlier was the entrance of the gate. The name Dr. Alex Ekwueme is being installed on that frontage. The second gate has already been installed and completed, while the frontage, the main gate, is currently being installed too. So this is the cenotaph. Once you came in from the gate, you're gonna see this cenotaph. So the cenotaph was retired. They retired the place, and they was also repented. So as you can see, everywhere is shining already. They're shining. They repented the whole area, and also retired the inside of it, which I first show you before this one. So from here, we're gonna be heading down to where the auditoriums are located, both the old auditorium and the new auditorium, to show you everything. So on this angle, I'm standing on the old auditorium, where people are meant to be seated for any event. So this view is from the back, where you see the the handball courts and the other gaming centers, maybe where they are currently used for football, though not field, but some people use it for football play and the rest of them. So this is the view of the old auditorium that is there. So this is the view. You can see everything for yourself. So from here, I'm gonna head down to also go show you the other one, which is at by my right hand side. And this is me just cruising around inside the auditorium. So from here, we're gonna be heading down. And another thing is that when I talked about our swimming pool, I was unable to show you guys the view, though I captured a glimpse of it. So today I tried my best to also get a more clear video of the place. So you're gonna be seeing them in this video when I zoom it. So from here, we're gonna be climbing on this side, on this the other side of it, this particular one you are seeing. So we're gonna be climbing up there. So from there, I will show you the view of the swimming pool. So for somebody that commented that it should be covered, not needed, quite alright, is a welcome, no doubt about it, and I won't argue on it. If they want to cover it, no problem, but money should not be wasting on such a temporary project anymore. Like heavy money should not be wasting on those kind of projects. That's my own opinion, though I don't know for any other person. So from here, we show you the view of the swimming pool. Let me turn around and show you the view of the swimming pool. So this is the swimming pool. You can see that bushes has covered everywhere, and that the water you are seeing inside is a green water, food with reptiles and other things. So that is just it. This is the view, and this is the arena. Once you come inside the the square. This is the arena where other activities are currently also go on whenever there is. So the other side is the new auditorium that is coming up. As you can see, the last time we visited here, all the materials for the roofing was there but not yet up. So but today when we visited, the side that has not been completed has also been completed, and the metal roof has also gone up there. So you can see that the work is speedily approaching to its final stage. So this is all the latest update we have concerning this new auditorium that is coming up. So we go more closer to it and view everything, and also show you the back of it, and then climb the cenotaph also to show you the remaining angle which I have not shown you on this video. So if you have watched this video to this extent and you have not subscribed, kindly do subscribe. If you're a newcomer, maybe this is the first time you are coming across our video, don't forget to click on the like button. Welcome to the family, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe as you watch the video, click on the like button, and also give us your own take via our comment section concerning this renovation and the rest. So continue watching the video.